Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Bella Stone, and today we are going to be taking a look at the newest Alienware 38-inch ultra-wide gaming monitor, also nicknamed as AW3821DW. I've been really excited to talk about this monitor because I've been really curious about the hype that these ultra-wide gaming monitors have to offer. We are going to be covering a range of topics including display capabilities, physical dimensions, and input compatibility with its ports. I'll throw the various timestamps in the description down below so you can jump through whatever interests you the most. But now, let's jump right in, starting off with the unboxing. The monitor has a screen size of 37.52 inches, a width of 35.23 inches, a height that can be adjusted to 17.70 inches, or as high as 22.82 inches. It has a depth of 11.56 inches, and that is measured from the back of the stand all the way to the front of the panel. And the weight of the monitor itself is 17.49 pounds. Firstly, it has the power connector, 2 HDMI ports, and a display port. There's 2 USB ports, and a headphone out jack. You also have 3 other USB ports, as well as an audio line out jack. Here's an overview of the ports and slots, so you can view more information on what I just mentioned, including the USB streams. It has a resolution of 3840 by 1600 with 144 Hz with a 21:9 aspect ratio for ultra-wide HDR compatible visuals. The display HDR 600 features localized dimming and a reduced halo effect. The monitor is NVIDIA G-Sync Ultimate compatible, so it will be optimized for NVIDIA graphics cards for clear visuals by minimizing screen tearing and ensuring synchronization of the monitor and the graphics card. It has IPS nano color technology, which is the cinema standard that offers wide color coverage than sRGB, enabling colors to be richer and more lifelike. The monitor features a speedy 1 millisecond gray-to-gray response time. This monitor is TUV certified and features a flicker-free screen with modes like Comfort View, which reduce harmful blue light emissions. Lastly, the AlienFX app allows for custom lighting. After using this monitor for close to a month, I can confidently say that the ultra-wide immersion is noticeable from the very start. You notice it the second you open a game, or when you're having multiple web browsers and applications open at the same time. You just have such a wider view of everything that you're doing. Having so much screen to work with is something I hadn't anticipated enjoying so much. And now I wonder how hard it would be to go back to a flat-paneled monitor. This specific monitor's display is beautiful. It has me experiencing familiar games in a completely new way. The couple of downsides with this monitor is firstly the price tag of around $1,530. So you do have a range of financing options, which I'll add all the information they had down below. But then again, I would just recommend getting it when Dell is maybe having a sale, just so the price tag can be a little bit more justifiable. The other downside is that the monitor's base does take up a lot of space on your desk. I do understand why it's shaped that way, just because it has to be sturdy for such a heavy monitor. I would just in the future look at some options of supporting it differently, just in a more discreet way so I could just optimize the space I have on my desk. Thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate it. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like down below. And if you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe. And please let me know in the comments what kind of monitors you guys have had and what setup that you prefer so I can check them out. I'll see you next time. Bye.